Hello, hi, namaskara. I'm Rishabh Chaterjee, and in this video we'll be taking a look at some of the hatchbacks in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram @rcmediahouse, and if you're not following me on Facebook, YouTuber Rishabh Chaterjee. And now let's get started. So this is the Alto maroon color. I'll show you the information here. So it's a 2008 model petrol, second owner, has done 56,000 kilometers. Insurance is comprehensive. It's a manual transmission LXi and asking price is 1,80,000. So it comes with steel rims. This is the base model LXi. So all prices are negotiable. You can contact the number in the description and get more details. This does not, interiors, this does not come with power windows because this is base model. No music system to it has been removed. Manual AC, simple 5-speed transmission. And yeah, that's the seat covers. Maruti Suzuki Wagon R, silver color. This is an automatic variant, 2004 model. So I'll show you the information. It's petrol, first owner, has done 1,07,000 kilometers. Asking price is 1.75 and all prices are negotiable. So you can call the number in the description and get more details if you want to. So back profile of the car. Side profile. This is the 1.1 liter 18 valve engine. Power windows in the front. Back ones are manual. So this is how the controls look. Slightly dark. And this is how the automatic transmission is for the Wagon R. Steering, no steering mounted controls on this. So that's the Wagon R. Hyundai Santro Xing. This is a 2008 model, grey color, and I'll show you the details. So this is actually a West Bengal registered car. That's why whenever you buy it, you have to change the registration. So first owner has done 45,000 kilometers and asking price is 2.10, negotiable. So if you want to purchase this car, you can come down to the showroom and take a look. So this is the ERLX GLS and I'll just show you the interiors too. This is the interiors, a quick glimpse. 5-speed manual transmission, no music system in this. So that's the Santro Xing. 2008 Maruti Suzuki Swift in bluish grey color. It comes with fog lights, you can see, and I'll just show you the information. So it comes with steel rims. So this is 2008 model petrol, first owner, has done 82,000 kilometers and asking price is 2,90,000. So I'll just give you a walk around of the car and I'll also show you the interiors after that. So this is the back profile. This is the VXi variant. And I'll just show you the interiors too. So black handles, black mirrors on this. Black interiors, no steering mounted controls. There is a music system touchscreen on that side. And yeah, that's a quick look. We have seat covers too. And that is the Maruti Suzuki Swift. Hyundai i20, the older generation car. So let me just show you the information. This is a 2009 model, petrol. Third owner, has done 97,000 kilometers. Magna, and the asking price is 2,90,000. So this one has this custom alloy wheels. It does not have the fog light, so you can install it aftermarket. Side profile of the car. And back profile of the car. This is the Magna variant. Interiors of the i20. This is the Magna variant. It comes with inbuilt music system. No steering mounted controls. This is the original covers. There is no seat cover installed on this. Original seats. And yeah, that's the i20. Hyundai i10, red color. This is the petrol one. And let me just show you the information. So i10 2008 petrol, number of owners 3, has done 63,000 kilometers. Insurance has lapsed, and transmission is manual. The model is era, and asking price is 2.25 lakhs. And let me just give you a glimpse of the back profile too. Slightly congested area here. So this is the back profile of the car. Interiors of the i10. So you can see it's a dual tone black and beige color. There's also a aftermarket touchscreen music system installed. Manual AC, 5-speed manual transmission, and you can see it also has seat covers. The front seats are single unit, so non-adjustable headrest, and there's no steering mounted controls on this. It's the era model. So that's the interiors of the i10. So Maruti Suzuki Swift, this is the diesel one. So it comes with 1.3 liter engine. This is the LDI variant, 2010 model. In the front you can see the chrome, that's a chrome grille, aftermarket, even down ones are aftermarket, and there are some stripes here in the front. And let me show you the information now. So it's a 2010 model diesel. First owner has done 90,000 kilometers. Insurance is comprehensive. It's a manual transmission, and asking price is 3.75 lakhs. And let me give you a walk around of the car. So it does not come with alloy wheels on this. It's steel rims with wheel covers. And now I'll show you the back profile of the car. So this is the back profile. You can see LDI. This is the second generation Swift. The tail lights are. You can see second generation. And this is the interiors. So since this is LDI, it comes with manual AC, manual windows. So it has been changed to power windows here. Steering wheel, but no steering mounted controls because this is the lower variant. It also has this touchscreen, you can see, music system, and manual AC too. It's a 5-speed manual transmission car, and there is seat covers here too. Black and white seat covers. And that's the Swift. Hyundai Eon. This is a 2012 model. Red color car. There are no fog lights, steel rims on this. And let me show you the information. So 2012 petrol. First owner has done 55,000 kilometers, and asking price is 2,40,000 rupees. Side profile of the car. So this one comes with black mirrors and black handles, as you can see. Let me show you the back profile now. So this is the D Lite Plus variant. And now let me show you the interiors. Interiors of the Eon, sorry, not Neon. So it comes with manual windows. There's no music system installed on this car. Manual AC, 5-speed manual transmission. No steering mounted controls on this. And you can see it's a dual tone interior, and these are the seats. And yeah, that's the Eon. I'll also give you a glimpse of the back seat. Okay, it's locked. Volkswagen Polo, silver color. And let me tell you, so it's 2011 model, diesel, first owner, has done 85,000 kilometers. Insurance has lapsed. It's a manual transmission car, TDI, and asking price is 3,90,000. Side profile of the car, it does not come with alloy wheels, steel rims with wheel covers. And back profile of the car. So there are parking sensors on this. This is the Volkswagen Polo TDI, and a quick glimpse of the interiors. So dual tone interiors on this. There's no inbuilt music system. It is aftermarket, single din. No steering mounted controls. Manual AC. It's a 5-speed manual transmission car, and there are seat covers installed on this. And yeah, that's the Volkswagen Polo. This is the Renault Pulse, white color, diesel, 2014 model. How much is the price? 390. So the price is 390. You can see the details here. Pulse RXL DCL, 2014-15 model, white, diesel. Number of owners 1, has done 38,000 kilometers. Insurance has lapsed. There are no fog lights on this car. Steel rims with wheel covers. There is rain visor. Back profile of the car. So you can see there RXL DCI. And let me show you the interiors. So interiors of the car. It's a single tone interior. An inbuilt music system, and also automatic climate control. No steering mounted controls on this, but there is a steering wrap here, you can see. And that's the interior, and that's the Renault Pulse. So red color Getz. I'll show you the pricing details here. So it's 2007 model, petrol, second owner, has done 73,000 kilometers, and asking price is 1,70,000. Skoda Fabia, grey silver color, and I'll show you the information here. So 2011 model, petrol, first owner, has done 61,000 kilometers. Insurance has lapsed, manual transmission, and asking price is 3,75,000. And a quick look at the exteriors. Skoda Fabia HTP. Tata Nano, yellow color. So let me show you the information. Nano LX, focus. Why is it not focusing? Okay, Nano 2011 model, petrol, first owner, has done 22,000 plus kilometers, LX manual, and asking price is 1,10,000. Quick walk around the car. And now we'll take a look at the interiors. So interiors of the Nano. So manual AC and no music system on this. The speedometer is in the center. This is how the seats look. It has covers, seat covers, and yeah, front two are power windows, back ones are manual. That was the Nano. So black color, Hyundai Santro. This is an automatic. I'll show you from that side too. So 2007 model, and asking price is 1,75,000. Back profile of the car, you can see it's automatic. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know more details about these cars, then the phone number and address is in the description, so you can contact them and get more details. Well, for now, this is Rishabh Chaterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. And I hope you have liked this video, commented, and also subscribed to the channel.